Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll try to talk about the upcoming phone from the Poco, which is the Poco F3 device, friends. So recently, a couple of rumors and leaks have been out of this phone. So Poco F3. So it's gonna release very soon. So right now in this video, I'll try to cover all the details about the Poco F3 and what are the things to know as well. So just make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, just in case if you are thinking of buying the phone. And very soon, I did order my Redmi K40 device. So it will be coming for the next, I think, after 2 weeks. So stay tuned for that video as well, friends. So right now I did get a couple of leaks and rumors circulating on the internet saying that the Poco F3 will be the rebranded version of the Redmi K40 smartphone. So that's another good thing, friends, with the Poco F3. So unfortunately, the Poco F2 did not come to India. That's a really sad, disappointing. But maybe the Poco F3 might come to the Indian market. So this is what I'm thinking of. So this Poco Redmi K40 has got really very good specifications, friends, for the price. So let's see whether the Poco F3 will be launching in India or not. So now finally it got confirmed by FCC. So let me try to show you. So now this phone has been also been certified for the US FCC, and this mystery has been cleared up. So this is what the sentence means. So finally the Poco F3 is got confirmed, and this will be the exact rebrand version of the Redmi K40. So Redmi K40 has got a very good specification. So one, starting with the processor, so which has got Snapdragon 870 processor, which is very good and very powerful. So it's slightly above Snapdragon 865 plus, and you are getting 120 Hertz Super AMOLED panel, as you can see. So which is a Samsung's E4 type panel. So which is the first time they are trying to use E4 type panel. So let me, again I'll try to compare with other smartphones as well, which I'm having with me. And battery capacity 4020 mAh and 33 watt fast charging, 48 megapixel camera. So you're getting 48 megapixel. So I feel like this Poco F3 is kind of exact next version of the Poco F1 series, which has Snapdragon 845. So this will be the best phone, friends, to get launched in India. I think if the phone get launched in India, the pricing should be around 26,000 or 27,000, 28,000. So at least 30,000 should be fine. But let's see, friends, whether the Poco F3 will get launched or not. But this was supposed to get launched globally. So global variant of the Redmi K40 will be the Poco F3 device as well. So let's see, friends, whether the phone will get launched in India or not. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.